We said from the very beginning we were going to go after AGI at a time when in the field you weren't allowed to say that because that just seemed impossibly crazy.
I remember a rash of criticism for you guys at that moment.
We really wanted to push on that.
The topic of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, has been a hot debate for years. It's one of those things that both excites and scares people in equal measure. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, recently made a bold statement about AGI that has been causing quite a stir. He said that by 2025, we might actually have AGI. That's just around the corner. But is this statement true? Or is it just another piece of hype from the tech world? Let's break it down and explore Sam Altman's vision for AGI and what it means for humanity's future. What did Sam Altman actually say? In a recent interview, Sam Altman was asked about his excitement for the future, specifically 2025. His response? AGI, excited for that. Now, if you don't know what AGI is, let's quickly go over it. AGI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. Unlike today's AI, which is very specialized, AGI would be able to learn, understand, and reason across any field of knowledge. Think of it as a computer that can think and solve problems just like a human. So, when Sam Altman says AGI might arrive in 2025, it gets people talking. Is it too soon? Or is he onto something? The idea of AGI is pretty mind-blowing, so it's no surprise that people have different opinions about whether or not it's even possible. It's easy to think that Sam might be overhyping things, right? After all, he's the CEO of OpenAI, and companies often want to sound more impressive than they really are. But here's the twist. People inside OpenAI seem to back up Sam's statement. Noah Brown, a researcher who worked on OpenAI's reasoning models, says that Sam's view matches what a lot of people are thinking inside the company. He even says that, from what he's seen, it's not crazy to expect AGI in the next couple of years. Another OpenAI insider, Adam GPT, echoed the same sentiment. He says that Sam Altman is very careful with his words, and that while people might feel disappointed if AGI doesn't come exactly when Sam says it will, the pace of progress in AI is actually faster than what most people realize. So, maybe Sam isn't just stirring up hype after all. If the researchers at OpenAI believe it's possible, maybe it is. 2025 is only months away. That's crazy when you think about it. But here's something interesting. There's a Twitter account, @JimmyApples, yes, that's the name, who's been predicting AI advancements ahead of everyone else for years. And guess what? The account has 2025 in their bio. Could it be a coincidence? Maybe. But given their track record, it seems like this year might be important for AI breakthroughs. Jimmy's been ahead of the curve with some other predictions, so maybe we should pay attention to what he's saying about 2025. Now, some of you might be thinking, okay, but can we trust everything Sam says? Fair point. But here's where things get even more interesting. Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, says that powerful AI might be here as soon as 2026. That's just 1 year after Sam's prediction. So, if Sam Altman's 2025 prediction feels a bit overambitious, Dario's 2026 timeline gives us a little more room to breathe. But it's still close. Are we close? Sam Altman has said something really fascinating about the path to AGI. He believes it's solved. That's right. Sam says that OpenAI knows the steps to take to build AGI. Sure, there's still a lot of work to be done, and some unknowns to figure out, but the key milestones have been identified. If that's true, then things are moving much faster than we realized. For a long time, AI research was like a puzzle that didn't have a clear solution. But now, it seems that pieces are falling into place. One of the most important concepts in AI right now is scaling. The idea is simple. The bigger you make an AI model in terms of data and computing power, the smarter it gets. Early on, this was just a theory, but now the data backs it up. AI models are getting predictably better as they scale up. For example, the larger the amount of computing power you put into a model, the better it performs. In simple terms, AI is improving faster than we thought, and as companies add more computing resources, these systems will only get smarter. What's next? Now, here's something that'll make your head spin. Sam Altman has also said that we might get superintelligence in a few thousand days. Superintelligence is a level beyond AGI, where the AI would be smarter than humans in every way. It could potentially solve problems that are beyond human comprehension. Sam is confident that the pace of AI improvements is fast enough that superintelligence could be possible in a few thousand days. That's a pretty bold statement, but think about this. Even if it takes a little longer than expected, the fact that AI is moving so fast means we'll probably see breakthroughs sooner than we think. One of the most exciting things about AGI is its potential to innovate. We're not just talking about AI that can solve existing problems, but AI that can create new ideas, solve problems in new ways, and even do research. It might sound a bit sci-fi, but the truth is that we're already seeing some early signs of this. Sam Altman and his team at OpenAI have been experimenting with ways to get more out of AI models. By using different techniques like chain of thought, they're able to push these models to think more deeply. And guess what? It's working. There's even research out there suggesting that AI can already generate novel ideas that are more innovative than what some human experts can come up with. In fact, some studies have shown that AI-generated research ideas are more novel than those of human researchers. So, if we're already seeing this level of creativity in AI, imagine what could happen once AGI arrives. It could change the way we do science, medicine, and technology forever. Could AGI change everything? So, what does this mean for us, the people who are just trying to live our daily lives? If Sam Altman's prediction is right, we're about to enter a period of rapid change. AGI could help solve problems like climate change, diseases, and even improve education. It might make our lives easier in ways we can't even imagine yet. But there are also big risks. If AGI is as powerful as Sam believes, it could have a massive impact on society, both good and bad. For instance, it could change jobs, economies, and even how we think about intelligence itself. The key question is, how do we prepare for this shift? Are we ready for AGI? AGI is no longer just a far-off dream. It might be closer than we think. Sam Altman's bold vision for 2025 is backed by people inside OpenAI and other experts in the field. While there's still a lot of work to be done, the path seems clearer than ever before. So, what's next? We're entering a new era, and how we handle these advancements could shape the future of humanity. What do you think? Are we ready for AGI, or is it still too soon? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.